everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll have toasted chopao. So here, we'll start with the cutting of the meat of your choice. So in my case, I had this pork belly and I've cut them into cubes. So now it's done. So let's all mix together the ingredients. So let's start first with the soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, salt, garlic, and some bay leaves as well, and don't forget the pepper. Then let's add it in, the meat or the pork belly. Then you may add some water. Let's add some peppercorn. You'll notice I've already turned on the heat, so let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So it's just like cooking pork adobo. Just don't forget to check it from time to time to see if there's still some sauce in it. Let's add some more water. One tip is the use of ice cubes, wherein it can make the meat more tender. Once the sauce is well incorporated, let's turn off the heat. Set it aside and let it cool. And now for the dry ingredients, let's mix all them together. So that's flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. Mix well all the dry ingredients. After which, let's start with the liquid ingredients. And let's add the cooking oil, milk, and the water. Let's mix thoroughly. Let's knead it for 2 minutes at a low speed. Then we will knead it for 8 more minutes at the medium speed. After an hour of proofing, let's punch the dough to release some air bubble. desired sizes. I managed to have 4 big round pieces and 10 small ones. So let's roll each piece into a ball, then cover with cling wrap or cloth. So let it brew for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, flatten each roll to form a thin circle. Then place a scoop of filling in the center and gather the edges. Just pinch the edges to secure and seal the bun. Then continue it with the rest of the dough. Then let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake the buns for about 20 minutes or until it's a light brownish color. So there, the toasted chopao. So as you can see, this is so soft and fluffy and tastier. So the bonus part here is that I have made 4 big ones and made them into a loaf bread. bonus part, which is the loaf bread. You can have the cheese with butter for toppings or whatever toppings you would like to have.